I wonder when Sonali's gonna get here. Sorry I'm late. Oh, it's okay. Sonali, your shoes. What about them? You're wearing slippers. I guess I am. I don't know why you chose to wear slippers. Well, all my shoes are so uncomfortable. It'd be easy if you just wore gel inserts. Where can I get these gel inserts? To order your gel inserts, just call this toll-free number. What are you doing? Making a commercial? Oh, go ahead. The number is 888-888-888. Call people. They're only $1 a pair. Let's just do some swapping. Oh my gosh, so much better. Wow, did you just turn into my fairy godmother or something? Well, did you? Maybe.